kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we learn about animals. Okay, let's start. What animal is this? Come on, tell me kids. This is giraffe. Okay. What animal is this? Come on, tell me. This is hippopotamus. What animal is this? Yes, come on, tell me. This is horse. What animal is this? Come on, come on. This is kangaroo. Very good. What animal is this? Come on, tell me. This is lion. What animal is this? Come on, kids, tell me. This is monkey. What animal is this? This is panda. What animal is this? This is rat. Very good, kids. What animal is this? This is bear. Okay. What animal is this? This is rabbit. Very good. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.